Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first episode where I'll be building things like this cut here. This is actually the first one I've built, so I'll show you a few clips and then we'll get into it. So I'll just start giving you a little tour of this cart we're using today. It's a 270cc 8 horsepower engine with a stage 1 kit, which is straight through exhaust, pod filter and a larger fuel jet. It's got a 40 series torque converter, suspension on the rear, and it's got cantilever suspension on the front. Also headlights, spotlight, even the wing mirrors. So basically what's happening here is I've decided I'm going to make a track on one of the paddocks. So I've just took the Polaris around a couple of times just to lay out a track that I think will work, and then I decided to just go around both the inside and the outside of each lane with the lawnmower, but unfortunately I didn't have anything a bit more heavy duty. So it took me quite a while to go around to do the edges, but it did what it needed to do in the end. And then I took the buggy round and did a couple of laps just to get a feel for it. I'll try and get some kind of excavator or heavy equipment down next time, just to take the grass off the top so it's easier to manage and it will make the track a lot clearer. Thank you for watching this video, and on the next one hopefully I'll be maybe doing some fixes on the buggy, as the chain came off a couple of times, so I've ordered a half link for that, and strengthen up the front tie rod ends because they bent up twice because of the bumps. But thank you for watching, and we'll get into it next time. Don't forget to drop a comment below and like the video. Thank you.